Okay, so I am high-key hoping that she got rid of one of her vintage Chanel bags and, decided to give it to me. So let's see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a fun video I wanted to share with you, which is just a little mystery unboxing, but not just any mystery unboxing. I purchased a mystery bag from my one great inspiration, and that is Amber Scholl. So if you don't know who Amber Scholl is, she is the DIY super extra vintage designer, everything designer. I mean, just everything every girl wants to aspire to be, and she's just amazing. She has 3 million subscribers right now and growing because she is just so great. So she was recently featured in she recently uploaded a video that was sponsored by Poshmark, and if you don't know who I am, hi, sorry, my name's Adrienne, and I am a Poshmark reseller. I also sell on eBay and Mercari. So when I saw that video, that was very, it caught my attention because I love her. I love selling on Poshmark, and I saw that she had some mystery bags for sale. So I grabbed one of them. The total came up to $55 and some change after taxes and shipping, but I had some credits with Poshmark because if you are a seller on Poshmark and you have an option to run a campaign, and if you participate in those campaigns, you can get some free money from Poshmark. So I had some credits, so I used those credits to purchase this box, which contains this box contains a mystery bag, and it was $45 plus shipping and taxes. So we're just gonna open it up together and see what we got. So if you want to see what I got from Amber Scholl, then just keep watching. Okay, so I am high-key hoping that she got rid of one of her vintage Chanel bags and decided to give it to me. So let's see. I got my handy dandy X-Acto knife to see, or cut this thing open. Let's just see what we got. I'm super excited, and I got this in the mail today, which is why I just decided to pop on. Got home from work, doorbell rang, and this is what came. The mailman delivered. Ooh! So this is my somewhat professional unboxing. I've done mystery unboxings before, but nothing from Amber Scholl. You can't beat Amber Scholl. Okay, so this is what I see so far. So it is beautifully packaged. Anything left? Nothing else left in here. Oh, I love this packaging paper. It's got like marble print packaging paper. Let's hope we get something good. Oh my God! If you know me at all, you know that I love, 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 love purple, and it is a Michael Kors little wristlet. Oh my gosh. And it retails for, it's new with tags, it retails for $98. You can see that it's in large zippered zip clutch, and it's leather. So perfect. And it comes with a little card. It's a care card, some tissue inside to keep the shape, and that's what it looks like. So that's pretty awesome. I know she was selling like a few mystery bags, and also, oh, that was just my X-Acto knife. She was also selling some brand name bags like Steve Madden, and yeah, I decided to go for the mystery. So I'm so glad that I did, because I am downsizing. All my bigger purses are going up for sale, and I'm keeping my little purses because they're just easier to carry when you're always on the go like me. So that's it. I was kind of hoping, nothing else in here. I was kind of hoping that she would have had a handwritten note, which is what the Poshmark community does is write thank you notes and stuff, because I would have kept it forever. So Amber, if you happen to be watching this, thank you so much for this wristlet. It is beautiful. I love it. It's my favorite color, so that's just an added bonus. And I really love you and appreciate you. I watch your videos all the time. As soon as I get that notification, I hit that play button. So thank you so much. This is amazing that I got to have this opportunity to purchase something from someone who really does inspire me. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And yeah, if you want more videos similar to this and around selling on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up before you head out, and I'll see you next time. Until then, I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful sales week and lots of sales days ahead. Have a great day.
Watch Amber Scholl.